In this video, I will guide you how to insert email symbol in Excel. In the first method, you need to click on the insert, and on the right side you will see that symbol. Click on that, go to the symbols, and here you need to pick the SEGOE symbol in the font section, and in the subject you need to select the extended characters plain 1, and here you need to find out email symbol. So here it is, the first email symbol. Click insert, and this is the another symbol. Click on that, and this is the third. Click on that and close it. And here you can easily view that email symbol is inserted. In the second method, go to the insert and click on the icons, and make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. Few seconds, and type email in the search box and hit enter, and here it is. You can select it and select insert. In the third method, click the window key and semicolon key, and you will be routed to the images section, and click on this search and type email, and here you can see that. Click on. So with this three method, you can easily insert email symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.